In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Depop. Maybe you've blocked someone in the heat of the moment, or perhaps you've simply had a change of heart and want to undo the block. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through the straightforward steps to achieve this. To get started, you'll want to grab your smartphone and open the Depop app. If you've logged out previously, go ahead and log back in with your usual credentials to access your account. Once you're in, the next task is to locate the user that you've previously blocked. This might require a bit of memory jog if the username isn't fresh in your mind. You can try searching for their username directly or perhaps go through your past interactions or messages, which might help you in pinpointing the correct profile. Upon successfully navigating to their profile page, you will notice a clear indication on the screen that states, "You have blocked this user." Right next to this message, you'll find two options. You can either choose to unblock the user or report them. For our purposes today, we're focusing on unblocking, so you'll want to tap on the unblock option. Once you click on unblock, the action is immediate, lifting the restriction you've placed on that user. This means they'll now be able to interact with your profile again and you with theirs, allowing for seamless communication and transactions once more on Depop. The unblocking process on Depop is that simple, and here's a quick tip to keep in mind. Once unblocked, users are not notified about the change, so rest assured that your decision to unblock remains discreet until you decide to initiate any new interaction. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap. Start by opening the Depop app and logging into your account. Find the blocked user's profile, and when you see the block notification with options, tap on Unblock. And just like that, you've reversed the block. This straightforward process helps maintain the flexibility you might want when managing your interactions on Depop. Whether it's for personal reasons or to continue business transactions, unblocking a user can pave the way for renewed connection and conversation. Thanks for tuning into today's guide, and happy unblocking. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on navigating your favorite apps. Until next time, take care and see you soon.